The Porsche Cayennes came equipped with many different types of headlight assemblies. This video will show you how to change out the bulbs on our assembly. Begin by placing the assembly down on a soft surface. On the side you will see an access panel. Push in on the tabbed red arrow and pivot the lid back and off. On the back side of the lid you will find the control boards, red arrow. The forward light bulb connector and wiring harness sit in a mount indicated by the red arrow. You will need to rotate everything counterclockwise to remove it. If your hands are small enough, you can reach in and turn this by hand. I used a set of needle nose pliers. With the light assembly out, you can release the two metal clips, red arrows, one on each side, and remove the bulb from the base. The bulb has two prongs that will just clip into place when installing the new bulb. It is important that you do not touch the bulb glass with bare hands or anything dirty. Oils from your hands will cause hot spots on the bulb and diminish its life expectancy. Installation is the reverse of removal. The other bulb in our assembly mounts in at an angle, but you use the same procedures for replacement. Turn it counterclockwise 45 degrees to remove it from the mount, indicated by the red arrow. Again, if you can, reach in and use your hands. I had to use a set of needle nose pliers. Release the two clips, red arrows, to separate the bulb from the base. It is important that you do not touch the bulb glass area with bare hands or anything dirty. Oils from your hands will cause hot spots on the bulb and diminish its life expectancy. Installation of this bulb is the reverse of removal. On the back of the unit, use a T29 Torx and remove the 5 screws indicated by the red arrows. With the lid off, you can see the main bulb, red arrow, and the motor for the headlight leveling system, blue arrow. You can separate the wiring connection from the bulb assembly by releasing the small wire clip indicated by the red arrow. Push in on the tabs and turn the assembly so you can remove it from the housing. It is important you do not touch the bulb glass area with bare hands or anything dirty. Again, oils from your hands will cause hot spots on the bulb and diminish its life expectancy. Installation of this bulb is the reverse of removal. The headlight leveling motor is removed by turning it counterclockwise and pulling it out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.